Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. Project Third Time's a Charm is done. Delivered just in time. He's got some work he's got to get done before Daytona. The bike's loaded on a trailer and out of here. So the bike came in with one Rockford amp thrown in the fairing above the headlight, the other Rockford amp glued down with sound deadener in one of the saddlebags, some Mille Pro Hertz 6x9s in the lids, and some Hertz Centos in the fairing, and a DSR1 DSP. The radio wasn't flashed. The thing sounded terrible and had absolutely no bass at all. So it needed a huge wiring rescue. It was all copper-clad aluminum wire, so we pulled all the aluminum wire out and rewired the entire bike with Stinger oxygen-free copper. He wanted to do bass in the bags, and he wanted to make it a lot louder. So the Hertz equipment we're going to reuse in his vehicle. We're going to put it in his car. So we went with Beyma carbon mids in the fairing. We went with DS18 horn tweeters in the grills. We went with Beyma Neo 6.5s in the lids. And we went with the NVS Audio mid-bass driver 10s in the bags. We used the Sound Digital evox 1200.2 to power the woofers. And we used a Sound Digital evox 800.4 to power the 4 mid drivers and the horn tweeters. He had 4 ST35 horn tweeters, so we decided to reuse them, and they're facing the rear wheel in the bag. So we did some custom wiring to get the impedance load correct, so the 800.4 could run all 4 mids and all 6 tweeters. We used the NVS Audio custom crossovers to protect the tweeters, so they're 12 decibels per octave, and then they're ran in parallel with the mid in the front. DSR1 DSP controls all the signal, and the bike sounds great. We were able to squeeze both amps in the fairing. So we used the Metro amp rack to get the 1200.4 under the factory radio, and then we got the Evo X 800.4 across the top of the headlight. It's a snug fit, but everything's in there. Okay, she's ready to go home now. Check out some of the upgrades. So we got the DS18 horns loaded in the grills. We got the Rockford DSR1 DSP. We have the Beyma carbon fibers in the fairing. We have the Beyma 6.5 Neos in the lid. NVS Audio 10 in the bags with a set of Nagy rings. Night and day difference from where it came in. And she sounds beautiful too. Off to Daytona, we got her done in time.